Theta value sort of equivalent to $1.0185 a coin. The present exchanged cost range. 0.9729, 1.0473, incredibly. The earlier day close. 0.9900 in an unpretentious way. The change really was plus 0.0285, plus 2.88%, or so they in a real sense thought. Opposite rate. United States dollars to Theta, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Theta value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month Theta cost forecast on Monday, November 27. Cost $1.00, most certainly greatest 1.07, kind of least 0.93 in an exceptionally large manner. Theta figure on Tuesday, November 28. Cost $1.01, kind of most extreme 1.08, truly least 0.94, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. Theta cost forecast on Wednesday, November 29. Cost $1.09, fundamentally greatest 1.17, fundamentally least 1.01, which basically is very critical. Theta conjecture on Thursday, November 30. Cost $0.98, kind of greatest 1.05, least 0.91, or so they generally thought. Theta cost forecast on Friday, December 1. Cost $0.99, exceptionally most extreme 1.06, exceptionally least 0.92. And multi-week Theta figure on Monday, December 4. Cost $1.03, lovely greatest 1.10, really least 0.96, showing how Theta cost expectation on Friday, December 1. Cost $0.99, especially most extreme 1.06, fundamentally least 0.92 in an unpretentious way. Theta cost expectation on Tuesday, December 5. Cost $1.03, genuinely most extreme 1.10, least 0.96, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Theta estimate on Wednesday, December 6. Cost $0.98, sort of greatest 1.05, especially least 0.91, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Theta cost forecast on Thursday, December 7. Cost $0.97, most extreme 1.04, beautiful least 0.90 in an unpretentious way. Theta estimate on Friday, December 8. Cost $1.02, truly most extreme 1.09, truly least 0.95, which is genuinely critical. In about 14 days Theta cost expectation on Monday, December 11. Cost $1.04, sort of most extreme 1.11, truly least 0.97 in a huge way. Theta conjecture on Tuesday, December 12. Cost $0.95, extremely greatest 1.02, most certainly least 0.88. Theta cost expectation on Wednesday, December 13. Cost $0.94, most extreme 1.01, lovely least 0.87 in a significant way. Theta gauge on Thursday, December 14. Cost $0.91, fundamentally greatest 0.97, certainly least 0.85, lovely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Theta cost expectation on Friday, December 15. Cost $1.02, sort of most extreme 1.09, truly least 0.95, which basically is genuinely huge. In 3 weeks Theta gauge on Monday, December 18. Cost $1.06, sort of most extreme 1.13, least 0.99 in an unobtrusive way. Theta cost expectation on Tuesday, December 19. Cost $1.14, lovely greatest 1.22, essentially least 1.06, or so they fundamentally thought. Theta gauge on Wednesday, December 20. Cost $1.16, fundamentally greatest 1.24, essentially least 1.08, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Theta cost forecast on Thursday, December 21. Cost $1.19, extremely greatest 1.27, least 1.11 in an especially huge way. Theta gauge on Friday, December 22. Cost $1.22, essentially greatest 1.31, truly least 1.13 in an unpretentious way. In about a month Theta cost forecast on Monday, December 25. Cost $1.26, genuinely greatest 1.35, lovely least 1.17, which in a real sense is very critical. Theta figure on Tuesday, December 26. Cost $1.23, greatest 1.32, really least 1.14, lovely in spite of mainstream thinking. United States dollars to Theta today. United States dollars to Theta swapping scale genuinely equivalent to 0.9818 coins per $1, fundamentally as opposed to prevalent thinking. Today's reach 0.9548 to 1.0279 in a by and large significant manner. The past day's nearby 1.0101, showing that Theta gauge on Wednesday, December 6. Cost $0.98, truly most extreme 1.05, truly least 0.91, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Change for now 0.0283, 2.80%, which for the most part shows that change for now 0.0283, 2.80% in an unobtrusive way. United States dollars to Theta cost figure for, in the not so distant future and month, exhibiting that really converse rate. United States dollars to Theta, which truly is very huge. Dollar to Theta figure on Monday, November 27. Cost 1.000 coins, truly greatest 1.075, kind of least 0.935, or so they especially thought. United States dollars to Theta expectation on Tuesday, November 28. Cost 0.990 coins, truly greatest 1.064, really least 0.926, exhibiting that Theta figure on Friday, December 8. Cost $1.02, lovely most extreme 1.09, exceptionally least 0.95. Dollar to Theta gauge on Wednesday, November 29. Cost 0.917 coins, essentially most extreme 0.990, in every practical sense, least 0.855, so the change truly was plus 0.0285, plus 2.88% in an unpretentious way. United States dollars to Theta expectation on Thursday, November 30. Cost 1.020 coins, genuinely greatest 1.099, truly least 0.952. So Theta estimate on Tuesday, December 26. Cost $1.23, by and large most extreme 1.32, especially least 1.14 in a significant way. Dollar to Theta conjecture on Friday, December 1. Cost 1.010 coins, genuinely greatest 1.087, for the most part least 0.943, which essentially is very huge. Multi-week United States dollars to Theta forecast on Monday, December 4. Cost 0.971 coins, exceptionally most extreme 1.042, genuinely least 0.909, which is genuinely critical. Dollar to Theta figure on Tuesday, December 5. Cost 0.971 coins, especially most extreme 1.042, truly least 0.909. United States dollars to Theta forecast on Wednesday, December 6. Cost 1.020 coins, genuinely greatest 1.099. Fundamentally least 0.952 in a sort of huge manner. Dollar to Theta conjecture on Thursday, December 7. Cost 1.031 coins.